that, my bill would have been $3,200 and some dollars. But I put those two last items on hold, and just for them to fix the cruise control and the go inside and fix the computer, the radio. That was $2,673.34. So you guys be aware that you know, they put these things on these cars, but when this stuff goes bad, and your car's out of warranty, like mine is, because I have 112,000 miles on my vehicle. So when your vehicle get out of warranty, you know, if you don't have the extended warranty, then they, you know, these price of these you know, different items are all on you. You know, as the owner and the driver of the vehicle. Now I'll let you guys take a look at that. See that price there? Yeah, I just wanted you guys. I just wanted to touch base with you guys, let you guys see, you know, what a maintenance bill will look like on the Corvette. It's the first time I had a maintenance bill, you know, this high. I had a maintenance bill before, and I think the sensor went out. And it was causing the engine light to come on, and that was $700. And besides the oil change and buying tires, I bought a set of tires about probably a year or so ago. That was $1,300, and I get an oil change maybe every 3 months or something like that. You know, whichever come first, 3 months or either 5,000 miles. That's $73 and so many cents each time I get that oil change. But this is the first major bill that I had to do on the Corvette. And like I said, it was $2,600. You know, the engine, transmission, anything like that, the clutch. I haven't had any major problems with those you know, particular items on my vehicle. But so I you know, I guess I'm still doing good. You know, cause you got other vehicles that's in the super class family, like the Lamborghini, the McLaren, the Ferrari, and you know, so on. You know, you could spend probably $800 or more a month just in maintenance bill, just routine maintenance. And of course, this wasn't routine for you know, for this to go out in this radio system. And you know, I had to get it replaced, because you can't ride around and not be able to you know, have access to your system. And the only thing that worked was the camera. And the camera would automatically come on, you know, when I go into reverse, and then when I would put it back in you know, first gear. And but that was the only thing that was working when the computer system went out. As you guys know, the Corvette plant is currently closed in Bowling Green, again due to supply and demand, and they had the supply issue for the C8 base model transmission, and these suppliers didn't have the I don't know, parts or what have you, for the transmission, so they had to close the plant down until March the 8th. And this is only like the second or third shutdown, and it's not good. But hopefully, hopefully we won't have any more this year. That way, GM can meet their status and get everybody their vehicles. A lot of people had allocation in for the Corvette for a long time, C8 model, and so I'm quite sure these folks are kind of frustrated with this system. And but it is what it is, They also has done away with 3 colors of the C8 for a 2021 model. I think it was Sea Breeze orange, silver. It's a silver color, some kind of silver color. And then I think the yellow. They done away with those, and I think they're gonna add a few other colors to it, but those colors there seem to be going away for the Corvette. And I thought the Sea Breeze orange was pretty popular, and it was a pretty color, cause the first C8 I seen was a Sea Breeze orange, and I can tell you that was a really a pretty car, and it was it was a coupe. But yeah, those 3 colors there are going away, and they got some more colors that's coming out, and I think one of them is that Misty Red. Misty Red is already out, but I'm still eagerly anticipating the arrival of the Z06 and the E-Ray model, and the CR1 and the Zorro model. And I still don't know when all these things gonna even take place, because we keep having setbacks. If plant are not able to meet supply and demand. And I know a lot of people out there probably getting frustrated, but I tell you guys to hold on, hang in there, and it's gonna be worth it. Once you get your vehicles, it'll be well worth it. Because I have seen the C8s in person, and believe me,